Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. Friends, the puzzle which we get you today is Math Challenge Puzzle. This puzzle consists of different objects like tiger, donut, signal and shoe. And in the end you have to find out value of donut. So let's start. Before jumping to the final solution, let's try solving this puzzle together within the time frame of 30 seconds. And friends, please put your answers in the comment section. Your 30 seconds starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle. Let's begin to see the complete solution. Jumping on to our first equation. In the first equation, we have one tiger divided by one donut is equal to 1. Now taking this donut to the right hand side, so division will become multiplication. So 1 into donut comes out to be equal to donut. So tiger value is equal to donut. Now friends, wherever we'll find the tiger, we have to replace it with the value of donut. We are replacing tiger with the donut because in the end, ultimately our goal is to find out the value of donut. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation, we have one tiger into one donut minus one signal is equal to 6. Now replacing the value of tiger with donut, so it will become donut into donut minus signal, that is equal to 6. So 2 donuts, that is donut square minus signal is equal to 6. Now taking this signal to the right hand side, so it will become plus signal. So equation will become donut square is equal to 6 plus signal. Now we don't know any of this item's value, so let us consider this as equation number 1. Now considering our third and fourth equation together, in the third equation we have shoe plus traffic signal is equal to 9. In the fourth equation we have shoe minus traffic signal is equal to 3. Now solving this both the equations together. Now adding both the equations, on addition this both signals will be cancelled out, plus signal minus signal will be cancelled out. So equation will become 2 into shoe is equal to 9 plus 3. So shoe is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. Now friends, if we have value of shoe, putting that value of shoe here in any of the equation, we can easily get the value of signal. So let us consider the fourth equation to find out value of signal. So shoe minus signal is equal to 3. We know value of shoe, that is equal to 6. Putting here in this equation and solving this equation to get the value of signal. So 6 minus signal is equal to 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to signal. This signal will go to right hand side, so it will become plus, and this 3 will come to left hand side, so it will become minus. So 6 minus 3 is equal to signal. So signal is equal to 3. Now we have value of signal, we have value of shoe, we have value of tiger. So directly jumping on to our first equation. The first equation which we have considered, so that was donut square is equal to 6 plus signal. We know value of signal, that is equal to 3. Putting that here in this equation and solving this equation to get the value of donut. So donut will become square root of 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So square root of 9 comes out to be 3, and that is only our final answer. And we have solved the puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to your favorite channel for latest puzzles and solutions. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. That is Puzzle Solver Video. Thank you again. Bye bye.